Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and I have fought long and hard against getting a selfie stick. But I finally broke down and I got this SelfieShow selfie stick / tripod. And I now see why everyone has always liked having these. It has turned out to be a lot more useful than I thought. As you can see, it's a really nice design. It's sleek, it folds down. You can fit it in a variety of pockets, in bags. Not only can it work as a selfie stick, but you can pull out the legs apart and it can work as a tripod. I used it while we went for a hike and it was really easy to set it down. I was surprised how stable it was, even though it is a small tripod. Just what I needed to get a picture. So often at the ends of our hikes, we're at the summit of a mountain and you want to get a picture of you and to show the beautiful scenery around you. Also very often we are hiking in the dark early in the morning. So I like the light option. It has different modes. It has the cool, the warm, and the daylight. It has a dim version of each of those settings and a bright version. It has been super useful for me, and I am so glad I decided to join the rest of you and get me a selfie stick. And that's my point of view.